Let's solve one previous question of functions. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 2 question number 40. The number of onto functions also called as surjective functions from set X contain 1, 2, 3, 4 to set Y contain A, B, C is dash. I already discussed formula for finding number of onto functions. If x kernel equals to m and y kernel equals to n, and m should be greater than n. Here m value is 4 and n value is 3. 4 is greater than 3. The number of onto functions possible from x to y will be n power m minus nc1. This C stands for combination. N minus 1 power m plus nc2 n minus 2 power m minus nc3 n minus 3 power m up to minus 1 power n nc n minus 1 1 power m. This is the formula for finding number of onto functions. Here we have n and m. Here m equals to 4 and n equals to 3. Now we'll substitute m and n value in this formula and we'll get number of onto functions. Now in place of n we'll write 3 and in place of m we'll write 4. So 3 power 4 minus 3c1, 3 minus 1 power 4 plus 3c2, 3 minus 2 power 4. We'll stop here as this will continue till n minus 1. Here n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 3 power 4, it's 81, and 3c1, it's 3 factorial, divide 1 factorial, then 3 minus 1 factorial. So 3 multiplication 2 factorial, divide 2 factorial. 2 factorial we cancel, it's 3. Then 3 minus 1, it's 2, 2 power 4, it's 16. Next 3c2, 3c2 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 power 4, it's 1. Now minus 3 multiplication 16, it's minus 48. Now 81 plus 3 is 84 minus 48 is 36. So 36 onto functions possible from set X to set Y. X contain 4 elements and Y contain 3 elements. I already discussed onto function. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.